How to connect custom domain to Cloudflare Pages. Now in this video, this is going to be quick by connecting your custom domain into your Cloudflare Pages account. First is open up your Cloudflare account, which is going to be here. Make sure that you're currently on your dashboard and you're already logged in into your account. Now to the left side, you should be able to see these options right here. We just need to hover your mouse into workers and pages, and then just simply click on workers and pages tab. Now from there, all you have to do next is you will be able to see all the custom domains that you have created. But if you don't have anything from there, then you just need to create a separate custom domain that's going to be on a separate video. Now click on the current active domain that you would like to be added into your Cloudflare pages, and you just have to make sure to follow all the prompts to update DNS records, ensuring that the domain is active. And that's basically it. That's how you connect custom domain to Cloudflare pages.